Hello, in this tutorial I'll show you how to sell Amazon products on TikTok Shop. Now for this tutorial I'm going to show you how to do that using your TikTok official account. Launch your TikTok official account using your TikTok mobile application. Now once you do that, it's going to take you to this window, not necessarily this window, but you're going to see it's going to take you to the home page, and from the home page, check the bottom right corner of your screen. You're going to find the profile icon. So go ahead and click on the profile icon. Once you click on the profile icon, you're going to see these options that says edit profile, share profile. So go ahead and click on edit profile. And once you click on edit profile, you're going to see the website category. Now, you can only find this website category if your official TikTok account has been changed to a business account. So ensure you change it to a business account. So once you do that and you get to this screen, you're going to see the website option. Click on that. Now you need to register your business account or register your business for you to be able to use the website option. So after clicking on get started to follow through the process to register your business account, you can now click on website and you'll be able to add the link to any websites that you'd like to connect. In this case, Amazon. So head over to Amazon and get the link to your Amazon shop, all right, on Amazon. And once you get the link, come over to website right here and paste the link in here and go through the process of connecting the Amazon shop to TikTok. Once you do that, when people come into your business account, which is here, and they check your profile, they're going to see the link to your Amazon shop and they can click on it and do whatever shopping they want to do on Amazon from your TikTok profile. So that's one of the ways. The second way to sell an Amazon product is to actually use this plus icon at the bottom corner of your screen. So click on the plus icon. And once you click on that, you're going to have to click on this upload option that is here to select the screenshot or the picture of the Amazon product that you want to sell. Let's say you went to Amazon and you took a screenshot of the product that you want to sell. Let's say this is the product. So click on the product and click on next. And next is going to take you to the next window. Here is a preview of the product. So click on next. After clicking on next, it's going to take you here. You're going to have to add a brief description of the product. You can copy that description of the product from Amazon, paste it here. And then also the product on Amazon, click on the share button on that product for you to get the link to that particular product. So once you get the link to that particular product on Amazon, head over here. After adding a brief description of that product, go ahead and paste the link in here. After pasting the link in here, go ahead and click on the post option to post the post. So after posting that post on TikTok, once people see the product, you're definitely going to see the link to it. And once they click on the link, it's going to redirect them to Amazon and they'll be able to make sales or make a buying decision that is favorable through Amazon following that link that you posted on this post. So that's pretty much how you can sell Amazon products on TikTok Shop. I can go over this video from top to bottom to get acquainted with the steps, and once you're done, you'll be good to go. I hope this video marvelously helped you search.